Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I just want to quickly share my observation on this baby milk. Okay, or is it the milk or the packaging? Kind of. This is as you can see, I have 4 of it here. This is Kendamil baby milk. I'm sure you guys can see that well. All of them, they are the same. It's the same milk. Okay, it's the same milk, but not the same type. These two, this one it's organic, this is organic. Okay, I just bought them. I've not opened them. If you look at the seal, you see I just opened it. I've not opened it, so let me see. You see the spoon is still there, intact. I haven't opened this. These organic ones, I just got them. Let me open this one. Open it, and then open this one. You see the spoon is still there. It hasn't been removed. So these two, I haven't opened them. So let me keep these 2 organic ones aside yet. I'll come back to that. So when I was using these non-organic ones, this comfort milk. Okay, look at this one. It's same thing, comfort milk. And both of them are from birth to 12 months. So here, from birth to 12 months. This one, same thing, from birth to 12 months. Okay. So I've been buying this comfort, this birth to 12 months for some months now, since my baby started taking formula, because I did exclusive for 6 months. Then I started giving him formula. But what I've noticed, okay, so let me open this one. So you can see this one is finished, but when this one finished, I got this one. The first thing that caught my attention was, and luckily I haven't thrown this away, so it was the observation that made me not to throw this container away. So the first thing I observed was the color. The cover, the lid color is not the same. This is darker than this. This is lighter, and I'm sure maybe you guys can say this is video. I don't know how it's showing, but this is definitely darker than this. So when I noticed that, I was like, why the difference in color? Then I opened this one. When I bought it, I've opened it. It didn't have this spoon here. This spoon came from this, but just that day I didn't record it, so I had to take the spoon from here and put here. Okay, so when I noticed the difference in the cover color, so that made me curious and wanted to know more. So I now looked at the write-ups. I was like, then I came down after this heart or love logo. I noticed that this one, the one with the darker cover, it says made with love since 1962. And this one with the lighter cover says made with love from our family to yours. I was like, why the difference? They are pretty the same kind of milk, but why the difference in the write-up? So I was wondering, is it that they're trying to pass a message on each batch they make? They maybe like twist the message a little bit or something. So I was wondering. But then again, I tried to look further. I went to the back. So you see right here, after this Kendamil Neutral Care here, right below this one with the darker cover, I noticed NAFDAC registration number. Okay, look at it here. NAFDAC registration number. E1 dash blah 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 blah, all the numbers there. And I began to wonder, like, NAFDAC, is this a Nigerian made milk? Because NAFDAC is a government agency in Nigeria that regulates food production, drug and all that. That is National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control. Okay, that is NAFDAC. So I began to wonder, what is NAFDAC number doing here? Is it that this one was made in Nigeria and exported to the UK? I don't understand that part. Okay, because if you look at here, it says UK recipe, award-winning recipe developed in the UK. So I'm just being curious what NAFDAC number is doing on a, because I had to go and Google if Kendamil is a made in Nigerian baby milk, and it says no, that is a made in the UK baby milk. And looking at these two again at their front and looking at the front of this organic ones, you see right here, you see these flowers and their write-ups. This one says whole milk, this one says whole milk fats. Meanwhile, they are all comfort milk from birth to 12, and again these two, when you look at them and you look at this organic one, I see the UK logo there and it says UK made, but these two, they don't have anything like that. Just here at the back it says UK recipe. So I just began to wonder why the little difference in the write-up and the lid. And these two, like I said, these two are different, and these two are pretty the same. Okay, their colors are the same, but this and this are not the same, even though they are the same type of milk. So I was wondering why they're different. And guys, this is not me saying that the quality of this milk is not good. I can't say that because I'm not the one taking the milk every day. Okay, don't get me wrong. As you can see, the organic ones, I haven't used them before. This is the first time I'm buying them, so maybe I will start checking for now. So for these organic ones, I wouldn't say anything much about them. Now I've noticed this, like I said, it's not about the quality yet, because I can't say, because I haven't noticed anything about the quality to talk about. But with this observation, I have a concern. I'm curious about how their quality control system works, because if this and this are the same, okay, if this and these are exactly the same, I don't think there should be a difference in their packaging as well. Okay, so that's what I think Kendamil should look at and explain. Another key observation I made is on this one with the darker cover, I noticed Kendamil is written on it, okay, with their logo. Just like these organic ones, you see Kendamil is written on them with a year of establishment, just like this one. But this one, absolutely nothing is written on this one. Okay, so that's another key thing that they need to look at. So still on the cover, you see how here this part is kind of cut off here, so it's not like that round shape. The two organic ones are the same, and this one too the same, but this one is just round. It doesn't have that cut here and here. It's just different. Okay, and then if you turn them the other way, if you turn to the bottom of the container, you see this one has this blue sticker something where they put the manufacturer's date, best before, that is expiry date, and this one doesn't have this blue thing. You see the difference? So that's what I'm saying. And this one has the batch number. There's a batch number here and there's no batch number here. And the organic ones as well, when you turn it the other way, you see manufacturer's date and best before, and that this L24 whatever number like is here, but this blue thing is not, you can see it's not on any of this. So I don't know why there is this inconsistency in their packaging. So again, I say that again, it's not about the quality of the milk, because I can't say much about that for now. It's not my food, but I'll start paying attention to that maybe from now based on these observations. Okay, so that is where my concern is, this inconsistency. I don't understand it, and I just hope, because this is baby food, I just hope that this has nothing to do with the quality of the milk. Okay, so like I said, I think Kendamil should really have a look at this and make sure that if there's any lapse somewhere, it is taken care of. because like I said, this is baby food, and it wouldn't be nice if the quality it's compromised in any way based on what I'm saying on the packaging. I'm not saying it affected it, but let it not extend to the quality of this milk, because as we all know, this is baby food and everything should be the way it ought to be, okay, for the babies. All right, so that is it for now. I'll leave it here. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Okay, bye.